This is a model of the human brain, and it's packed with over 86 billion cells called neurons. Through releasing chemical messengers called neurotransmitters, neurons contribute to a chemical balance within our brains.
But sometimes this balance can get disrupted.
In a seizure, the chemical changes within the brain lead to surges of electrical activity.
But what if I told you that seizures can actually be used to treat medical conditions, that they're actually therapeutic?
Now, an ECT stands for electroconvulsive therapy, and it involves a brief, safe seizure while the patient is under anesthesia. Contrary to popular belief, this therapy is actually very safe and controlled, and it's incredibly groundbreaking for patients with mental health disorders, which 1 in 7 people globally are estimated to suffer from. So to understand how an ECT works, let's go back to our neuron diagram. When an ECT delivers an electrical current, the brain experiences an upsurge of electrical activity, where billions of neurons are firing together and releasing a flood of neurotransmitters, namely dopamine and glutamate.
But the magic is not in this temporary flood. The magic lies in what happens afterward.
With this flood, the neuron's neurotransmitter receptors desensitize and become less responsive to their chemicals. So, to restore balance, the brain undergoes an adaptive change called upregulation, which involves an increase in the number or the sensitivity of our cell's receptors.
These neurotransmitters include dopamine and glutamate.
By increasing the number of D1 and D3 receptors, ECTs lead to the existing dopamine within our systems becoming more effective at stimulating reward and motivation circuits. And by upregulating our glutamate receptors, a protein called BDNF is released, which basically acts as the growth hormone for our neurons. Its release induces various structural changes, where our neurons can form new connections and rewire our brains.
This is groundbreaking. It directly addresses key problems that people with major depression suffer from, including apathy and just overall sadness. So instead of spreading the stigma, let's work towards eliminating it and finally using this technology for the common good.